Hello, in this video, I just want to show you the difference between the VIM command and the touch command in shell scripting. In shell scripting, which one should we use? So upfront, you should use the touch command inside your shell script. And why? What is the reason? Because you can use both of them. You can use both of them to create, a file, right? But why should you use the touch command over the vim command? So let's first of all let's create, you know, a file, right? Using both of them. This is going to create an empty file. The vim one is going to create, so let's create, it's going to create another file, right? But now I have to manually, you know, use use this command escape colon WQ, then hyphen down here, you see it down here, to be able to now create the file, right? Because if I do not do this one, the file will not be created. So maybe let me clean this. Let me clean this and do escape colon X just to exit. So let's see if this main2.sh was created. So I'll do ls. So if I do ls, I can see the main.sh, but the main2.sh was not created. So let me come down again and do clear. Right. You see, the main was created because I created it with the touch command. But this one was not created because I did not do that escape, column WQ. Right. So now, if I do this, if I hit this, then I do escape column WQ, then hyphen this command down here, and then I hit enter, right? You see, this main2 file will be created, right? So let me do ls. You will see that that main2 file has been created now. You see, it has been created, right? So, and what's the purpose of shell scripting? The purpose of shell scripting is for automation, right? So if I want to automate, maybe let me create a new shell script. Let me say py.sh, right? So I want to automate stuff, right? That's the reason why I'm writing a shell script. In most cases, you want to automate some manual task, right? Or repetitive tasks. So let's just quickly write a simple script to create a file and write a text into that file. Let's just create a simple script. So let me write my shebang. I need to put it in edit mode, insert mode, escape I. So escape I, you see it down here, is in insert mode. So then I'll put my shebang, which is this, then space bin, space bash, right? Then I'll do enter. So usually you write the purpose of the script to create a you know create a file, just create a log file. So let's quickly, so let me use touch command. You see, touch command, touch log.txt. Then let me write a text into it, echo, say start or starting script. Then I'll send this text into this log file. Log. That is right. This line basically is writing this text into this log file. So that's what he's doing. So then I'll do escape column WQ, enter to save it. Right. So if I do ls, let me do clear. If I do ls, you see that that my new file has been created. So where is it? This is it here. File.sh has been created. And so let me do clear. And then let's check the contents. Use cat file.sh. So this is the content, right? Create a log file, So this is the content. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to run it, right? I'm going to run this my script. This is a simple script. So, and when I run it, what do we expect? We expect it to create a log file, this log file, and then write this, content inside the log file. So clear. So I'll do to run it. I'll just do, first of all, I have to give it permission. Chmod 777, then think is file.sh. Permission for it to be executable, for this file to be executable. So enter. Then I will run it. I'll just use ./file.sh to execute it now, to run it. So now it has been the file, I already run the file. So now let me do ls to check if that log.txt has been created. Right. So let me check. So the log.txt has been created. Then I'll do clear. Right. So let me check the content of that log.txt at log.txt. You see, starting script, right? So you see the way it was smooth, right? I just created a file, right? I created the script rather, and then I put the content, and then I just ran the script, right? So now what we're going to do is that, let me clear. I'll open this, sorry, this is wrong. Escape, X. So I'll open the script file.sh, then I'll put it in insert mode. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change this touch to VIM. I'm going to change this touch to VIM. VIM, and you're going to see what is going to happen, right? VIM. So I'll do escape WQ to save, right? So let's do cat again on our file.sh. So it's VIM now, right? It's VIM. So just want to make sure. So clear. So to make it, yeah, just so now let me run it. Let me run it. So let me run the script. Let me run the script. So I want to run it now. So ./file.sh. You see, it opened it, right? Normally I want it to just run automatically. Now it's opened it for me to now manually kind of like allow it to run. So I'll do escape WQ save. Okay. So now I've saved. Now it has run now. So let me do cat again on my log.txt. You see? You see what it did now? It now added the what's it called? The another starting script, right, to this log.txt, right? So the main idea is that I just want to show you the difference between Vim and Torch in shell scripting, right? That because the purpose of shell scripting is for automation, right? So it's better you use touch command instead of Vim inside your shell script. I hope that helps. Thank you.